Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by parking with the engine off and the key removed. Safety first. Once done, set the parking brake and open the driver door. You need to access the interior fuse box located under the dash to the left of the steering column, so crouch and use a flashlight. Make sure you have a small trim tool and the owner manual ready. These let you identify the instrument cluster fuse quickly and avoid panel damage. You now locate the instrument cluster fuse labeled INST or meter using the diagram in the manual or on the fuse box cover. Carefully pull that fuse with plastic fuse pliers. Inspect the thin metal strip. If it's broken, it's blown. Once inspected, replace it with a same amp spare to restore proper operation. Using the wrong rating can damage circuits. If your goal is to turn lights off temporarily, you can remove the fuse, but understand other dash functions may be disabled. After replacing or removing the fuse, snap the fuse box cover and any trim panels back into place. This prevents rattles and moisture ingress. Then start the car and verify instrument lights' behavior, making sure to cycle the dimmer and check automatic brightness sensors. If lights stay on or gauges misbehave, there may be a faulty dimmer switch, ground issue, or failing cluster, so test grounds and fuses for continuity. And make sure to consult a mechanic if problems continue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.